Hi, Eric Gibaud, Gibaud.com, and today I'm going to tell you about my minimalist kit, if we can call that minimalist, for traveling, and what I bring with me. Let's start. Well, when you want to travel, or you have to travel, or you want to travel, you have to decide what gear you're going to get with you, and it's not very easy because you have to find the right volume, weight, depending on your needs. So I need to bring things to make pictures, I need to bring things to make video, so this is what I'm bringing with me. I'm not telling yet where I'm traveling, but I'm going to tell you what's in my bag. I rely on two things. One is my iPhone XS Max I bring with me, and then we're going to look at what's in my bag. So I open the bag. So to give you an idea of the volume, here it is. Take this out in a second, I'll tell you what it is. Now this is my bag that is packed. For photography, I bring my Olympus OMD EM5 Mark II with the lens 12-40 millimeter 2.8 Pro. It's called Pro because it's weather sealed, but it's not because you are not professional, but they call it Pro, this lens range. So here, then I bring this very small flash that comes along with the camera because there's no in-body flash. So Olympus gives you a small flash with you while they sell it, but it's included in the price. Small flash with a small pouch, I bring it. But for a serious flash, I bring a Yongnuo 562. I had Yongnuo 563, but they both broke. So I've got this one. I wanted to replace it with the Godox flash, the TT600, but I could not find it here, so maybe I'll buy it when I get there. Okay. And so this is why I bring this also. This is for bouncing. This is a manual bouncing card. This is foam and with a normal piece of paper stuck in there and a Velcro on the flash. I always use it when I want to bounce light, so I bring it. Doesn't take much space. And also I bring along this transmitter and receiver for the flash, because I would use it if I use this flash, I'm using it normally off camera, so I need the receiver and transmitter. When I had the 3 version instead of the 2 version, the transmitter is included, but as it's broken, I've got this one. Okay, if I get the Godox TT600, I'll also buy the XT2 transmitter because I want it. I've got the XproO, but I want the XT2. Why? Because you can actually use a flash with your iPhone. You can actually transmit with it, so I would be really interested. So to this photography part, I have to add 2 filters. I bring a polarizer because where I go there's quite a bit of water, and maybe I want to polarize, and an ND filter, ND8, to have a 3-stop. Okay, this is my photography gear that I bring in the bag. But then in the suitcase I also bring a light stand, Manfrotto light stand. When you open it, it's 190 centimeter high. Then this to fix on top of the light stand, and then this where I put my flash. I've got a video somewhere about this things I made myself. Okay, so Velcro, and then I put the flash flat on it. Okay, so it's in the axis of the umbrella, and I'm bringing this 80 centimeter diameter softbox umbrella box. Okay, this. Okay, I made many. I've used this for many years, and I do a lot of picture with it. Normally I use larger umbrella, but I cannot bring it. Doesn't fit in the suitcase. I don't want to bring it. There's also a grid in there. Okay, so this is my lighting kit. This is for specific things. I'll do this. I will keep it normally this back at the accommodation. Take it out only when I actually need it. Now this is for photography. Obviously I get also my charger for for the battery of this camera, my Olympus. I get 3 batteries, one is in there and 2 spare ones, but I'll bring the charger anyway. I also bring some SD cards. Here I've got a small pouch with SD card in there, as you can see. Okay. And well, for photography with my Olympus, that's it. So now let's speak about video with the iPhone. Well, I will also do some pictures with the iPhone, but we'll speak about the iPhone. So I'll also get a small tripod, mini tripod, the PIXI by Manfrotto. I made a review some time ago. I can actually use it to put the iPhone on it, but I can also use it to put the Olympus. So obviously it's not a very high tripod, but if I want to put the camera at table level or something on top of something, I can actually use it perfectly. So it can be used for both things, for the iPhone or for the Olympus. Then I bring along a gimbal. I'll bring the DJI Osmo 3 with me. I've not made any review yet, but I've used it and it works perfect. It's really great. I like it. So I'll bring it along. So this is for stabilization and standing. Okay. Then I'll bring also SandMark cases to put on the iPhone, because I'm bringing along the SandMark lenses, the 4 I have. I've got some review, you can check them, with the macro lens, the wide lens, the tele lens, and the anamorphic lens. And also the last review I made was about the hybrid filters, which is ND filter and paralyzer. I bring the 3 of them in the small pouch that came with it. It's here. I also bring a Boya microphone, which is a lapel microphone that actually can plug into my iPhone. Most of my video are recorded with this, except today, because I wanted to show the iPhone on the videos. I'm not recording with the iPhone, I'm recording with one of my Olympus, which is there. And what else? Well, here I've got some clips. So if I don't want to use the SandMark cases on my iPhone, I can actually put directly the filters with the clip, or I can put the lenses also with the clip. I prefer to use the case, but sometimes if you're in a rush or whatever, you can actually use this, or you lose the case or whatever. I bring some clips along anyway. So what else do I have in there? I have also a small power bank. It's only 4,000 milliampere, or what, I don't know what you call that. This was a gift by Photosura, so thank you very much. I've got, oh yeah, by the way, here in the flash, I've got rechargeable batteries. So I bring these 4 in there, plus an extra 4 that's already charged. This is why I prefer that kind of flash, and I want to change to Godox TT600. Why TT600 and not 860? I don't want to have a battery that is different than this. Why? Because if it lets you down, or you cannot charge your battery or whatever, you can put any standard battery, not even rechargeable. Any standard battery is fine, you can put it in there. This is why I prefer that kind of flashes. I don't bring along my Godox AD200, because what I'm going to do, I don't need it, so I'm not bringing them. And another thing I'm bringing is this. I'm not telling you where I'm traveling to, so this is a universal plug. On one hand, you have, on one side, you have European, American, UK, all this, which is to plug in, and then to plug out, you have European, UK, okay, and then US. So I think it's important to bring this with you before, because you get it before, because when you travel, when you get there, maybe it's at night, and you don't have time to go to a shop to buy it, and you have to charge your phone or whatever. So it's better you have this beforehand, before traveling. Okay, so I think that's it. I've thought about the batteries for my camera. I've got 3 batteries, 1 in there and 2 spares. plus a charger. I don't think I will need so many anyway. And that's it. With this, I've got my full kit for what I need to do. And well, maybe I forgot to say something, but this is what I'm going with. So maybe I forget to tell something, or maybe I forget to bring something, but future will tell anyway. And where I'm going, it's still possible to buy things if I forget something or whatever. And most of the thing I'm going to do them with my iPhone, and more I would say serious thing, no, maybe more work things or whatever I'll do with the Olympus. But I'll bring all this, and that's it. Well, that's it. So very soon you will know where I've been, and you'll see some video about it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you think it may interest anyone, please share it on social networks. If you have not done yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a button down here and also a small bell. If you click on it, you'll get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below or send me an email to info@ericgibaud.com. Below, also put links of my gear on Amazon and also links to other parts of my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye.